Hello everyone. Mthokozisi Thwala, a close friend of the late Orlando Pirates and Bafana Bafana goalkeeper Senzo Meyiwa, told the High Court in Pretoria on Wednesday that he could not explain the altercation at the Voslera's home when Senzo was shot on 26 October 2014. He said, "I won't be able to explain or describe how the pushing happened." Another witness, Dumelo Madlala, has also testified and gave his version of what happened on that fateful day. In his testimony, there was a point where Madlala mentioned that when the scuffle ensued, he fled and ran to the bedroom, where he hid his cell phone since the intruder demanded the cell phones and money. But Thwala has given a different version of what happened. He said Senzo was in scuffle with the gunman while Tumelo was wrestling with the second one. He also added that Sandy and her mother were also involved in the scuffle and said Senzo was not alone in the scuffle when he turned around to grab his phone. He said Senzo was pushing the gunman at the door. Tumelo and the second one were in the midst of that scuffle. Then there was the wrestling between Senzo, Tumelo, the tall guy, and Zandi and her mother. They were assaulting this other guy. I wouldn't say it was Senzo alone because Tumelo was also there and I had also turned my back as I was grabbing my phone.
Let it be sorted out.
What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.